taking a look at another interesting knife here. This one's a full auto. Here in Arizona, no prohibitions on having a switch, so quite a few people I know carry full autos. It's got this nice lock. Locks the button out. Once you've got it open, you can tell real easily. It's got that red dot. Blade opens nice and smooth, nice and quick. You push the button to open it or to close it. It's aluminum handles, nice clip. Obviously you can tell it's been worn and used quite a bit. Partially serrated blade. Again, I'm not a knife expert, I just know what knives I like. I'm a big fan of Gerber, and I really like this one. Nice smooth open, that's kind of cool too. We're looking at about 8.5 inches or so. 3.5, 4 inches of blade. 7 ounces on the dot.